First, we open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is, on top of the logo, there is a lever that needs to be lifted upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Push this lever upwards and then lift up the hood. This hood has shock absorbers, so there is no support bar, and these shock absorbers actually hold on to the hood. Once the hood is opened, underneath the battery is the location for engine air filter. It has two brackets. One bracket is right here that we need to pull down. Other bracket on the other side that also needs to be pulled down. Once both the brackets are down, now we'll grab the cover from here, lift it a little upside, then push it towards yourself. There it is. That is how we take out the top cover. It does not completely open, but if you want to open it furthermore, notice there is actually a bracket right here. It has a tab right there on top. Lift that small tab upside and then pull out that bracket. After taking it out, you can lift up the top cover a little more upside. Now what we'll do is we'll grab the filter from here and then pull it outwards. Just like that. That is how we take out the filter for this car. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this curved side right here stays at the top and the other side like this stays at the bottom. It doesn't really matter if you punch in the filter this way or the other way around. Both ways are perfectly fine. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the filter where we took it out from. We lift up the top cover all the way upside just like this. Then punch in the filter all the way in. We make sure the filter is sitting in there properly from all over the edges, and it seems like it is. Once the filter is in position, make sure these brackets are not holding the way. Both of them are supposed to be in open position. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this top cover. Notice from behind the filter there are actually two tabs coming out. Also there are two positions. One position right here and the other position right there. In both of these positions we have to punch in these two tabs. So what we will do is we will grab the top cover just like this, and then from behind we will make sure both of those tabs completely go into those two positions. Again, we have to make sure both the tabs completely slide into those two positions. Once both tabs are completely in, now what we'll do is we'll make sure the top cover is completely pressed down. Then we'll go ahead and punch in the brackets one by one. First bracket is in. Second bracket also in place. With that, we are done with the replacement of engine air filter for this car. Don't forget to put back that bracket that you took out earlier. There we got the bracket in position as well. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Lower the hood up until the middle. Now to close the hood properly, we will leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.